So we are looking into the basics of Python and mathematics. So we are seeing the relationship and how we can use Python in mathematics. So by the end of the day, we'll be coming up with projects and other aspects, but we are going to move in this playlist slow by slow. So the playlist is going to grow and we're going to come up with projects later. So this is just for beginners. So in today's video, we are going to look into the basic arithmetic operators with Python. We said when we want to display something in Python, we print, right? So I prefer in small letters. So let us say print. So if I want to display, I say you print for me 5 times, let's say plus, let us start with the addition, 5 plus 2. So let us see what outcome. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So what if we say we store a variable O, but you still remember we're having a variable x here. So we stored the x in our previous video. So now let us say print open bracket 5 plus x. So we are having our storage. So we are saying in the bank add 5. So let us run and see what happens. Okay then. So it means we can use the values at any time that we have stored before. So if you want to do multiplication, or let us say basic subtraction, 5 minus 2, print, and also let us take a look into multiplication times 5 times. So as you can see here, the multiplication sign we are using asterisk or star. Star, we use it as multiplication sign or asterisk. So we are multiplying with the x. Do you still remember the variable we store? That variable is the one we are going to use. Then we run, we get our answer. Now we did addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now let us do division. So print here 5 divide 2. So as you can see, we just use a slash for division and we run. So these are the basic math operations that we know. Now I'm adding more operations in math that are very important, especially in software development and when we are doing machine learning and when we are creating some models in machine learning. They are going to be very useful in the future videos. So we better pay attention to this. So here is a trick that I want to show you, another math operator. It's called flow. Okay, it's called flow. So I want to show you how it works. So in flow, what happened in flow is there is 2 division sign. So these 2 division signs, they serve a different purpose. So what is going on? As you can see here, when we divided 5 by 2, we get 2.5. After getting 2.5, that was the output printed. But now, when you put a 2 division sign, the output is no longer 2.5, but we get only 2. So what is going on with this 2 division sign? I said we call it what? Flow. So what happened with this, in flow division, it takes on the integers only, the whole number. If it is, for example, let us say print 3 over 5. Okay, it's going to be a long decimal, right? So we're supposed to get our answer. Sorry, let us run our program. We're supposed to get our answer 0. Like I said, it takes only whole numbers, and whole numbers start counting from 0. So as you can see, the flow or double division sign takes only the integer value or the whole number. So what happened with the decimals? It means you are discarding the decimal. You don't need the decimals. You want only integers or the whole number. So there are some programs and some softwares that you are creating or developing that actually need only the whole numbers, don't need the decimal. Or you need to use the decimal for other reasons. So you'll be factoring out or filtering the decimal. So the question is, how do you get the decimal now? It's very, very important. How do you get the decimal? Just try this. Print. We want to display following 5 percentage 2. So you're asking 5% 2, what do we get? Let us find out. Let us run. We're getting 1. So this function here, we said above here, this is flow, right? This is flow. 2 into 5, it is 2 remainder 1, isn't it? That's what you get in flow. So we discard the remainder 1 and we take only the integer, or the whole number, which is 2. On a division, when you are dividing, you just say 5 divided by 2, we get 2, 5, because the remainder 1, add 0, we get 10. I think we know the drill, we know the math. So in this case now, let us talk with this scenario. Here, like I said, it is called modulo. So let us say hash here, modulo. So in modulo, what happened in modulo operation, we only take in the remainders. If we divide 5 divided by 2, we get 2.5, or 2 remainder 1. So the 2 remainder 1, the 1 is what we get, or the remainder. Try a different number. So print 3 modulo 2. Print, we get the same result. The remainder is 1, as you can see. So another important operator, I think this is our last operator that we are going to talk about in this video. It is none other than, it is exponential operator. So when we want to do exponent with Python, we are going to say, let's say 2 power 2, right? Or let's say 5 power 2, 5 power 2. So power is represented by stars. So let us run. We need to get 20, 25. So this is an exponential operator. So we have a lot of operators that we can use, but these are the main operators that most people are normally using, and they are very important. So to recap into this, we are saying on basic arithmetic operator, we have addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, and we are having flow. And flow, it gives you only the integers, and we are having also modulo, which gives you the remainder, and we are having exponential operator. These are very important and crucial. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye-bye.